Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my goddess faux locks. First I braid individual braids and just braid them all the way down to the tip. You know, it don't have to be any specific part, any straight parts. I do my parts uh, this way. That's Dew Girl that I'm using to oil her scalps. But I do my parts this way to make the style more fuller. So you can just watch, get in tune with the way I do this. So I'm just gonna keep continuing to braid these braids. I'm working my way up to the front. It's just the same method, part those parts, braid those braids, and let's get these faux locks popping. And I'm not gonna like do the whole video on the entire box braid, the method that I use, but I will show you the finishing look, which is very, very, very gorgeous. You guys do not forget to subscribe and share and press that notification bell. I will really, really, really love you guys to continue to rock with me throughout this process. This is my first video. Things will expand and it will get better. That's the hair that I use. Some really, really, really good hair. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap that, continue to wrap that. Make sure that it's really flat and neat. And when I get done wrapping it, I usually tie it about 2 to 3 times to make sure that those locks are secure in place. So I'm going to just go ahead and continue to wrap that. You do not want to do this style like extremely tight because these faux locks do get tight, guys. They do get tight, and you do not want to damage your client's hair, even though this is a very, very protective style. And I attach the locks. When I attach the locks, I use crochet needle, put it in through the hair, and tie it once around the braid, and just start my wrapping. So if you guys feel like that I need to go a little bit more into detail, or there's something you guys would like to see, just comment below. You see how I'm wrapping that really secure and flat. Just go ahead and wrap that up. Okay, so you guys are seeing exactly what's going on here. And this is the finishing look. And I hope that you guys liked it. And like and subscribe, you guys, please. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye.
See, I got that drip like it's coke. Snorting, then running down your throat. Hands down, you won't get a vote. Yogi Bears, they don't want no smoke. My neck game match my wrist game. Flawless victory like I'm Liu Kang. Your ex-boyfriend is my new main, and I'ma slurp it up like it's low main. Face it, big checks, I chase it. Double C's even when I'm naked. Sitting pretty ready for the taking, and I'm waiting. 100 grand wrapped in a rubber band. Hit that stiff, I'ma pop that. Spit 20 grand on Chanel bags. Such a bad habit, need to stop that. Ain't nothing changed but the money. Stack it till it starts spilling on me. I'm the